Okay, good morning, Miss.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to do the evaluation for primary 5, especially in math, science, and mathematics subject. I will ask from homework, book, summary point, and vocabulary as well. Now we can start from homework first. So here are the homework of math for the next week, right?
Yes, sir.
So for the next week, I see here page 1 to 23. It means for the next week you will teach about project. Yeah. Okay, so math project week. So, okay. Okay, please answer question number 1 and 2 first.
Okay. Number 29. We want to build this number by 29 times only 1 times 29. And then the factors are 1 and 29. 29 is a prime number. Okay, which is number is divisible to divide by 6. It is 4,662.
So how you explain to the student to find this answer?
Number 2,
Yeah.
yes. We just use the old way, like the usual way. 4,662 can divide by 6, 49. 6 times what? Close to 49. It's 7 times 6. 6, yes. 42. And then we need to minus first. 6 times 2 equal 4. And then 62 going down. And then we need to find again 6 times what? Close to 46. It's equal 7. It's equal 42. And then we need to minus again. 56 minus 42. Sorry, 46 times 42. It's 42 again. And then 6 times what? That equal 42. It's 7 again. So 4,662 can divisible divide by 6.
Okay, so here you just explain by using the manual way.
Yes.
But did you know that? Do you know that actually there is a easiest way to find that something that the number is divisible by 6 or no? If the number divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, it means the number divisible by 6 as well.
Yes. But I ever try with 62. Some number, some number like this one, the end of that 62 divided by 6, it's equal comma, using comma.
I mean
Because
here, if the number can be divided, the number can be divided by 2 and can be divided by 3, the number must be can be divided by 6. So, how do we know that the number can be divided by 3? There is actually this is the unique way I have learned about it. If you plus the number, for example, we know this one before exactly can be divided by 2, right? This
yes,
one.
yeah, 62.
So we can prove that this number can be divided by 3 by using you just plus this one, all the digit. You plus,
Stop.
you plus, you plus. Then you got the result must be 18, right?
The screen is stop, sir.
Sorry?
The screen is stop.
Oh
I
yeah,
cannot see.
this one.
Yes.
We know this one before 4,662 can be divided by 2. Then we have to make sure that we need to prove that it can be divided by 3. It can be divided by 3 by add all the digit. 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 2. You got 18. If the result can be divided by 3, it means this number can be divided by 3.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, like that.
Thank
Just
you,
like 27. 27. Is it divisible by 3? Yeah,
yeah.
just plus this one. 2
And 7.
plus 3, 7. You got 9, right?
Yeah,
9
9.
is divisible by 3. So it
Yes.
means 27 if
Divisible by
divisible by 3.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Just for additional information, you can
Okay,
ask
sir.
your student to,
Do that.
yeah, that one. Okay, question number 1.
Okay, finding size among quantity, it's called measuring. From 0, 1, and 2, the smallest prime number is 2. What is the definition of constantly? Is continually, perpetually, always, and without stopping. For the missing term from 1, 5, 9, blank, 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 and 21, 21. Um, this one, the way it's, we see the end of the pattern or the term, is it 29, 21, and then the first of the term is 1. So we need to minus the end of the term with the first of the term. It's like 21 minus 1 equal 20. And the 20, you must divide it with how many jump? From 1 to 5, 1 jump. From 5 to 9, it's 2 jump. From 9 to this blank, it's 3 jump. From this blank to this blank, 4 jump. From this to this, 5 jump. So there are 5 jumps. So we need to divide by 5. It's equal 4. So 9 plus 4, it's equal 13. 13 plus 4 equals 17.
Okay. So the difference for every step
It's
is 4, right?
4.
Okay. So for question number 2, this one is about what? It's about prime number. Okay. Could you explain the concept of this prime number? Why 1 is not a prime number?
Okay, why 1 is not a prime number? Because 1, it's only can build by 1 times 1. And the concept of the prime number is only the factor is only 1 and itself, or only 2 factor. So 1 is not the part of a prime number.
Yeah, because the facts are only 1, right?
Yes.
This one, question number 5.
20 is divisible. The book word mean it's when you separate or even at the same composition.
Okay. Let's see. Now we move to science. Okay, so this is about the new chapter, right? This is about the new chapter from page 22 until 27. It's about digestive system. Okay. Okay, maybe you can answer from the question number 1 first.
Okay, which of these food are rich in carbohydrates? It's A. Number 2, protein help us to be grow. Which food are rich in protein? It's A. Milk, cheese, egg, meat, tofu, and beans. Number 4.
Okay.
Number 4, fruits and vegetables are rich in B, vitamin and minerals. Number 5, eating too many sugary food can cause A, tooth decay and overweight. 6, too much fat in the diet can cause heart disease. Number 7, what happens if we have an unbalanced diet? A, we will feel tired and unhealthy. A, which food should we eat in lesser amount? It's B, foods high in oil and sugar.
Okay, so what is this unbalanced diet?
Unbalanced diet is
Yeah.
when the proportion uh, is not balanced
Between?
between the healthy diet, between the balanced diet. Balanced diet is like the carbohydrate, the protein is balanced with the plate of our book. But with unbalanced diet, you eat more than usually, like the too much sugary. Because in our book,
It means it's not diet, right? If you eat too much.
no, this is diet. Not just you eat less than that,
Oh,
but
okay.
is it the meal proportion?
Okay, I see. So this unbalanced diet is if you eat something. I mean, for example, you eat more carbohydrate than protein, just like that.
Yes.
It's not balanced. Okay. Okay. Question part B.
Okay. What do you know about diet? Diet is like when you have a meal proportion that good for your body. Number 2, what are food that you can find easily at the refrigerator? It's like a egg, milk, and then tofu, chicken, beef, and anything else. Fruit and vegetables have many important nutrients that help us stay strong and healthy. Nutrients, in the definition of the nutrients, is like food for growth and energy. Mention four kinds of food that good for our diet: vegetables, fruit that less sugar, fruit that less sugar, and then egg, and then protein with from chicken.
Okay, question number 1.
Okay, number one, why we should doing a balanced diet? Doing a balanced diet, we can know essential food that we eating, and then when we doing a balanced diet, we can sustain our energy, and then also we can maintaining our weight. What happen if you eat too much sugary food? If we eat too much sugary food, it can make tooth decay and also lead us to diabetes.
Okay, I see. So how about this one? What is what? Oh, this one just you ask the student to decide determine this is healthy or unhealthy, right?
Yes.
Oke. Baik, sekarang kita pindah ke matematika dan ini halaman 1 sampai 38. Berarti untuk minggu depan matematika project. Project matematika.
Yes.
Bisa dijelaskan. Oke, sebelum saya bertanya tentang project matematika, ini bilangan cacah, Miss.
Yes.
Ini bagaimana cara mengerjakan nomor 7, Miss?
Oke, kalau cara menyelesaikan 320 perkalian menggunakan cara panjang, itu pertama kita pecahkan dia atau uraikan dia menjadi 3000 tambah 50 ditambah dengan 0. Lalu 21-nya tetap di sini, dia di bagian tetap kita urutkan sesuai dengan porsinya. Lalu di sini kita kan ingin mengalikan. Jadi kita harus buat 3250 karena di sini ada puluhan, jadi dia harus 20 ditambah 1. Nah, nanti caranya 3250 dikali dengan 20 ditambah 3250 dikali dengan 1. Hasil kedua ini dijumlahkan. 3250 kita kalikan dulu.
6500.
Ya, 3250 dikali 20 dari puluhan ini
65.000.
Oke. Ditambah dengan 3250. Jadi jawabannya 68.250.
Oke. Oke, bisa dijelaskan untuk dijawab untuk pertanyaan nomor 1 sampai 5, Miss.
Oke, selisih antara bilangan terbesar dan terkecil adalah yang terbesar adalah 622.000 dan yang terkecil adalah 620.000. Selisih adalah pengurangan, maka 622.000 dikurang dengan 620.000 adalah 20.000. Ayah melakukan pembelajaran
600 berapa, Miss?
622.000. Yang paling kecil adalah 602.
Okay.
Jadi yang hasilnya adalah 20.000.
20.000, oke.
Ayah melakukan pembelahan kayu bakar. Kata yang bercetak tebal memiliki arti pembelahan adalah memisahkan menjadi beberapa bagian. Urutkan bilangan tersebut dari yang paling terkecil. Yang paling terkecil ada 28.000. Lalu yang kedua ada 28.008. Yang ketiga ada 61.899.
Oke, Miss. Kita bisa melewati bagian ini. Oke, untuk pertanyaan nomor 1.
Oke. Ayo memiliki keranjang buah sebanyak 10 buah. Keranjang itu akan diisi dengan buah apel yang sama banyak. Setelah dimuat atau disusun, jumlah buahnya adalah 200. Berapa isi setiap keranjang buah? Eh, Soal ini adalah soal pola kalimat, karena dia ingin mengetahui berapa setiap apel yang ada dalam keranjang. Jadi kalau kita ketemu soal ini, kita buat saja 10 buah, 10 buah. Lalu kita langsung tahu hasilnya adalah 200. Nah, kita ingin tahu dia pembagian atau tidak. Kalau pembagian, dia harus di tempat dia harus ada kata membaginya sama rata. Nah, di sini dia hanya memuat sama banyak, berarti ini dapat dikali. 10 dikali berapa untuk mendapatkan 200. Kalau mengikuti cara dari buku adalah kita pisahkan 200, kita buat dalam tabel, lalu kita buat tabel seperti ini. Di sini sudah diketahui ada angka 10, ada 10 buah, lalu 200 ini dibagi dengan 10. Dapatlah hasilnya 20. Jadi setiap keranjang berisi atau memuat 20 buah.
Oke, 20 buah. Untuk ini mendekomposisikan bilangan 60.281 berarti bagaimana maksudnya?
Oke, mendekomposisikan itu artinya menguraikan menjadi faktor-faktor terkecil. 60.281 menjadi 60.000, karena ini puluhan ribu, terus 0, 0, 0, lalu 280 tambah 1. Ini mendekomposisikan menjadi pengurai-pengurai terkecil.
Oh ya, itu nolnya harusnya 4 ya. Itu kan di angka ribuan. Yang 03. Ya, karena kan di sebelahnya 200.
Ya, Sir.
Oke.
Yes.
Ini perkalian. Okay, now we can move to science. Oh, we have done the science, right? We can move to the book now. So for the next project, you will have mathematical project and math project. So could you explain what are you doing in the math project actually?
Okay. Because we are studying about number sequence and the prime number or special number, so I will share to them. It is paper that full of prime number and composite number, and then I need them to recognize how much the prime number there, and then separate with the composite and the prime. After that, I will tell them to make the number sequence by using the number pattern.
Okay, so you divide the class into the group.
Yes, 6 group.
6 groups. Okay, I see. Bagaimana dengan matematika project matematika, Miss?
Oke, matematika project saya buat dia lebih fun karena di math kita sudah belajar menggunakan akal. Sekarang kita buat mereka lebih kreatif dan efisien. Caranya adalah mereka kan sedang belajar tentang bilangan cacah. Lalu saya menginstruksikan mereka untuk membuat bilangan cacah namun dengan gambar yang menarik. Contohnya, kita ingin membuat 1234. Nah, 1000 ini bisa digambar menjadi satu, atau kita buat seperti monster atau bunga atau apa, yang penting dia mendeskripsikan 1234.
Okay. Now this is about science. So for the science, you will teach about the balanced diet and the process of the digestive system.
Haven't with this, but until this page aja.
Until this page. Okay. A balanced diet. So could you explain what kind of things that our body needs to provide this a balanced diet actually?
Okay.
It matches with this thinking cap. What should we eat to be healthy?
Yes. What should we eat to be healthy? Actually, we have a picture of plate down of the page, and then a balanced diet. It means you have meal proportion with your weight, something like that. And then the if you see the plate, we are see carbohydrate, and the vegetable are the same amount. If you have a plate, carbohydrate and the vegetables and the fruit need to be same, not mm, not the carbohydrate more than the vegetables. And then the protein, we can see it must be like less than the carbohydrates and the vegetables because the protein help you to grow. And then the dairy, we can consume it less than the proteins. And also with this one, the lesser amount it is oil, sweets and sugar because oil, sweet and sugar we already get it from this, from the fruits we have sugar, from the rice we have sugar, and the oil we also have it like from the carbohydrates like I'm sorry, like a bread. Bread can have a, if you fry the bread, it will result you give you a oil. And then if you are eating more carbohydrates or more more the oil, sweets and sugar more than this plate, it can lead you to tooth decay and then also can lead you to diabetes and even can lead you to heart disease because too much fats there. Um,
So for this one, I want to ask this one. From this plate, we can see that the biggest amount of the nutrients that the body needs is fruits and carbohydrate. Yeah, so is there any reason why we need carbohydrate more than protein, dairy, and just like these
yeah,
things?
yeah. Like this, carbohydrate. It can help you, it can give you more energy if you eat carbohydrate because you're doing much activity. So the carbohydrate will make you full, will give you energy to active to do activity more than the protein.
Oh, so yeah. So it means this carbohydrate is the main source of energy, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now we can move to summary point. So since for the next week you have math and mathematical project, it means the summary point that you have here is only science, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Science. This one.
Yes.
The title is still about flower. Why?
Oh yeah.
Oh
I will
yeah.
change
Don't
it.
forget to change this one later.
Yes, sir.
And the page as well. 22 until
Oh yeah.
33.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, please explain this one.
Okay. The food that we usually eat at the morning, night, and the afternoon, it called our diet, our proportion. Um, when we have a balanced diet, the point number two, it must be right amount of a different type of food. Right amount, it's mean uh, that the carbohydrate and the vegetable need to be same proportion with the plate that picture show. And then uh, a balanced diet help you to maintain your weight also and sustain your energy. And the food that we usually eat, that diet name, it is how do you make your proportion. Okay, point number three. Some nutrients are carbohydrates, protein, fats, mineral, and vitamins. Okay, some nutrients are carbohydrate. The example of carbohydrate is like a bread, a pasta, a rice, and so on. And the proteins we can usually find from the animals like chicken, fish, beef, and something like that. And we can also find from the natural protein, it's like a tempeh in Indonesia. And the fats we can find from the heart of chicken. I don't know the name. Heart of chicken. We can find the fats. Yeah. Uh, and the vitamins and the mineral we can find at the vegetable or fruits that we eat.
Okay. So I have a question here. So, eating too much or too little, eating too much or too little of any of the nutrients can lead to an unbalanced diet. And you explain here too much of sugary foods. It means if too much sugar can cause to decay and make you overweight, right?
Yes.
So the question here is about what if the the our body has a less of carbohydrate or less of nutrient, for example, just like we have a less of protein to for our body. What will happen with that?
Okay. Uh, if you eat less the carbohydrate than usual, it can make your body like what we must feeling tired. And then if you eat less the protein, it cannot help you to grow because protein help you to grow well. If you are if you are eat less than protein, and then if you are eat less vegetable and fruit, it can make you fallen sick easily.
Okay, I see. Okay, I see. Okay, miss, I think we can move to vocabulary list now. Okay. Now we move to vocabulary list. Same as summary point, you don't have vocabulary list for mathematics and math as well, right? So here is the vocabulary. Here are the vocabularies of science. Okay. We have a nutrient here. What is nutrient?
Nutrient is food for growth and energy. Explanation in spoken, nutrient is like substances in food that can make you, that help you to grow.
Okay. Balance.
Balance, balance, it's mean that you have that you have the same proportion. Where that explanation in spoken, it's like a balance when you have a good proportion, and then even that where things that are even.
Okay. Separate.
Oh, separate is not apart, not together or divided. Explanation in spoken, separate is like when you apart people or things.
Decay.
Decay, the definition of decay, it's rot, breakdown, and then rot away. Explanation in spoken, it's like when the things it's break down, rot away, or getting worse.
Okay. One more is about wonder.
Wonder.
Yeah.
Wonder is about thought, and then curious, explanation in spoken, when you had a curious thought and or question in mind.
Okay, Miss. I have asked from. Yeah. Before I review this one, I want to say for the this vocabulary list, make sure for the explanation, additional explanation must be followed by the example. Just now you have explained about the example, but in your vocabulary list there is no example at all. It must be followed by example.
It there's, but you need to click double so it can show you.
Oh, I see. Okay, I see. I see. Okay, Miss. I think that is all for our evaluation today. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, sir.